Here's a quick tip on how to make manifestations work for you. Yep. What I mean by that is very often we'll say an affirmation and walk away and then we don't keep using it. And a suggestion I have is write your affirmations out. For me, some of the most difficult things for me to break through have to do with money and lack mentality having to do with money and finances. So because I know that's a difficult cluster of beliefs that I need to break through, I have a whole set of them that I've written down on a piece of paper, really, but it's a cutout of the shape of a briefcase, and I have fake money attached around it. And then I wrote a bunch of different money manifesting affirmations on the briefcase, and I have it hanging or up next to where I make coffee every morning. This way, every day that I go to make coffee, I look at them. And while the coffee's percolating and while I'm making it, I literally start saying the affirmations that I have written down. Every day, every time I'm making coffee, there they are. And the reason I have it on a briefcase looking piece of paper with the fake money attached to it is also like a visual board. So I'm looking at it, and as I'm saying, money is my birthright kind of thing, wealth is my birthright, I'm looking at these money overflowing this briefcase so that my brain is kind of like, yeah, wait a minute, I got tons of money, I got money in the bank. I love that manifestation song, by the way. I got money in the bank. What you think? What you thought? And this is a simple way for you to make manifestations work for you, to make affirmations work in your favor. So whatever your major issues are, and I don't mean that as slam, I mean like the belief systems you're trying to break through, the lack mentalities that you've been trying to clear out, those are the ones that I suggest you write down on anything. It could just be a regular piece of paper, but put it somewhere that every single day you'll see it. And even if you don't read it out loud, your mind will see that and go, oh yeah, wait a minute, money is my birthright, or I love myself. Like if you have belief systems that have to do with your own self-worth and self-esteem and self-love, maybe put them in the bathroom near the mirror or next to your bed, those kinds of things. That way, wherever you're going to be every single day, that you're stopping for a few moments, whether it's brushing your teeth or washing your hands or making coffee, those kinds of places, if you put affirmations, your mind will see it and soon it'll break the old mentality block. And it works. So I hope that helps.